Welcome to our guide on Windows 11 privacy settings. Understanding these settings is essential to protecting your personal data. Here, you'll find general privacy settings that determine how Microsoft interacts with your data. It's vital to manage app permissions. Decide which apps can access your information and which should be restricted. Your advertising ID can impact your privacy. Consider whether you want personalized ads or to remain anonymous. Controlling location services can enhance your security. Limit access to apps that don't require your location. Ensure that your microphone and camera access are secure to keep your conversations private. Balancing functionality with privacy is crucial. Understanding data collection and diagnostic settings is essential. Activity history can be useful, but weigh the benefits against potential privacy concerns. In conclusion, regularly review and update your privacy settings to protect your personal data effectively.